Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to introduce this video properly because I've been so quiet on YouTube for the last few weeks, and that is just because life has taken over. I've had my yoga retreat, which was amazing. I've had unfortunately a loss in my family, and now, as you can see by this video, this is happening, and it's all literally happened in the space of 2 weeks. So it's been a lot. I've felt very overwhelmed. I've been a massive mixed bag of emotions, but I'm so excited for this new adventure. So I wanted to share it with you all. As you can see by the title, I have just bought a house, my own house, me, myself and I genuinely cannot believe that I've done it. It's happening. Today is the day that I go and pick up the keys. So I'm just waiting on an email to give me a time, which I'm kind of sat in anticipation like. But yeah, I'm so excited, and I wanted to share with you and bring you along with the journey and make the house a home, because it's going to take a lot of work. It's not a new build. It needs new floors, new paint, everything, and I've got nothing. So it's going to take lots of time because of money and time between work and stuff, but I'm excited and I've got time, and I just got to remind myself of that. But yeah, I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to give you a little house tour before. I'm going to take you shopping. I'm going to show you how I transform the space, and I'll also do like a Q&A on the mortgage process, being a first-time buyer, being a single first-time buyer, being self-employed first-time buyer, and all the questions that you guys might have surrounding all of that topic. So if you do have any questions, send me a message over on Instagram or leave me a comment below, and soon I will do like a Q&A or just share my experience of buying my first home. But yeah, I will catch up with you when I've got some information on when I can collect my keys. I have just picked up my keys. I can't believe it's happening. It still doesn't feel real. It feels so surreal. I don't think it'll feel real until I'm holding the keys in my hand, I've opened the front door and I'm stood in the doorway. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so full of emotions. It's crazy. They also gave me a little goodie box. So I can't wait to dig in that and see what I've got in there. But yeah, now I'm going to go home, back to my parents' house. And then me and my mum are going to go to the new house. So here we are. I have the box. And I have my keys. Genuinely can't. I don't know why there's so many. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I thought it was going to be one key, but apparently I've got a lot of doors in my new house. So there we go. And anyway, here's the little goodie box, which if I've got this, then I can conquer anything. Some little cocktails, some little vanish, and there's like loads of like gift vouchers and like discount vouchers at the bottom, which is quite cool. But yeah, very exciting. And now I'm going to go and try and work out which key actually opens the front door. Wish me luck. Good morning, everybody. It is now Thursday, and admittedly I didn't film anything else yesterday when I got to the house. I just got really overwhelmed. It was a lot to take in, and yeah, it was just a lot, right? So sorry about that, but today I am back at the house. I've already been ripping up flooring. We have removed wallpaper off of one wall, but before I crack on any further, because I just literally dive straight in, I'm going to show you an empty house tour of my little renovation project. There's a lot of work to do. Admittedly, it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, and I'm trying to do it as budget friendly as possible. So I will be doing a lot of the work along with help from friends and family. But before we get started, yeah, I just wanted to really show you what the before is like. I will try and insert some clips or some pictures, sorry, of what it was like when we first got here, because we've already ripped everything out. But yeah, let's get started. So this is the front door. You come in the front door. I should probably start from the front door, shouldn't I? I'm going to switch around actually. So you come in the front door and we have a little porch, which is handy because I can hang coats and shoes here, which I really wanted because I hate having coats all over the house. Okay, you walk in, you see the stairs. I wasn't sure about this when I viewed the house, but I have visualizations and I'm actually quite happy with it. And this is the main living space. It's quite open plan. This was a fireplace here, which we've ripped out because it was really not very nice. So I'm literally going to get that boxed in and plastered over, and then I'm just going to have nothing there. Nice big windows, which I love. And this bush out here flowers beautifully in kind of springtime, so that's going to be nice. These are the curtains they left, so they're going to go. And then you walk through here and we have a nice archway into the kitchen. And this is the kitchen at the moment. I had a man come round yesterday to give me a quote on basically transforming the kitchen, because as you can see, it's very dated. And I'm going to get a new sink, new worktops, new cupboards. So yeah, new everything. He's going to box that in. He's going to probably take that one away, or at least replace it, because they left this here. My mum's given it a good clean. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not, because I'll probably keep it for now, obviously, because of money and stuff. But because I've got this, and because I've got so much openness, I probably don't need a cooker hood. So I'll probably just get rid of it, but we're going to see about that. Garden. This is everything we've ripped out so far. So there's a lot of rubbish to get taken away. And then it's kind of like a 3-story garden. So my visualization is to have this main flat bit as like a little seating area. The next layer here to be flowers and plants, and then the top where all the kind of weeds and stuff are, I was going to do some vegetables and some herbs and stuff, which is like my ultimate goal. So yeah, I'm probably going to leave the garden a lot to my mum, because she loves things like that. Okay, let's go up the stairs. My dad's, I was going to say there's a green carpet here, but my dad's just ripped it up. So there was a lovely green carpet that they left us. This is bedroom number 1. It's really, actually, you can't really see on camera, but it is a really decent size. Again, they left the lights and stuff, and they did leave some curtains, but I've just taken them down. But it's got a nice big windows into the garden again. And yeah, it's got quite a lot of space. One thing I really liked about this house is the handles. I'm going to kind of clean these up and keep those for sure, because I really like that style. Little hallway into the second bedroom, which you can see obviously a little girl had. So yeah, again, a really nice decent size. I'm going to get all of the pipes that are at the bottom boxed in. It has this kind of 2-layer thing, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I was thinking, I'm not sure. I've got to think about that one. Let me know your thoughts. And then the thing I loved about this room, let me shut this door, is that it has this built-in storage, and it goes back so far. It's really a lot of storage in that one. And another storage in here, which has a little wardrobe that I can walk into, all this storage up here, and then obviously storage on that shelf there. So yeah, I really liked that. And it's got a mirror here, which I'm gonna get changed, but yeah, it's decent to have a mirror there. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna show you is the bathroom. I feel like this is really echoey. Now the bathroom is going, so please bear that in mind. It is disgusting, vile. I'm getting it completely ripped out, hopefully in a couple of weeks. So yeah, it is really not great. How do I turn the light on? The light is so dark. So this is the bathroom. It's a very small bathroom, but obviously I'm going to keep the bath, not this bath, but I'm going to replace the bath. I'm getting it all done. So all these tiles, as you can see, it needs completely ripping out. But I'm going to have a bath still, and then I'm going to keep the shower, get a new shower. I'm probably going to, I'm not sure about this space yet. Obviously I'll have a toilet and a basin, and then I'm going to just have, that's going to come down obviously. I'm going to have a massive mirror on here because it's a really small, dark bathroom with no windows. So I thought if I get a really nice bright natural daylight and then a massive mirror here, it will kind of reflect the natural light and make it brighter. And of course I'm going to just change the colour to a really nice clean white or something. But yeah, and obviously all the floors are going to be changed. Let's go back downstairs. Here's my little hallway. But yeah, that is the house in a nutshell. It's a two-bedroom house, which I really wanted a house rather than a flat, purely because it's freehold, which means there's not a lease on it, which means I don't have to pay ground rent. And yeah, I just really wanted a nice little house. So I'm really happy. Obviously, as you can see, it's a complete renovation project. So yeah, we've got a lot of work to crack on with, but it's so exciting. I'm so excited. I keep getting like visualizations on what it's going to be like. So yeah, I'm so excited. And the one thing that I absolutely love about this house is that it's so light and airy, especially down here, as you can see, because we have like the two big windows in the back door here, and then we have the big window there. It's just so light and so like spacious, and yeah, I can just really see myself living here, which is why I was like, yep, I want this house. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on. I'm actually going to go to B&M and get some sugar soap so I can start sugar soaping the walls upstairs. This needs sanding, this main wall here, but I'm going to have to leave that one because I need to get that fireplace boxed in first. But yeah, I've just got a lot to do. So I'm going to crack on. I'm probably going to end the video here because there's not going to be much to talk about until I've actually cracked on and done some more work, but I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing, what we get up to. I'm going to take you shopping. I'm going to do all the fun stuff. So yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to follow along the journey, and leave me a comment with any questions, any ideas, any inspiration that you may have, because I need all the help I can get. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch up with you for the next video.